In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic dropdown to Jotform. Adding dynamic dropdowns can enhance your form's interactivity, allowing you to provide users with more customized options. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can understand exactly how to do this on your own forms. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard. Here you'll find all the forms you've created or have access to. Identify the form you would like to modify and click to open it. This will bring you to the Jotform form builder where you can make changes to your form design and content. Next, locate the Widgets tab. This tab is a valuable resource offering a range of enhancements to your form beyond basic fields. Exploring these options can be quite beneficial as each widget serves a unique purpose and can add varied functionality to your forms. Once inside the Widgets tab, type Dynamic Dropdowns into the search bar. This search will bring up the Dynamic Dropdowns widget, which you'll then drag and drop directly onto your form. Dragging this widget over to your form field section is simple. Just click, hold, and move it to where you would like it to be placed in your form. After placing the widget, you'll see it appear on the right side of your screen, where you can edit the drop-down content. Here you have the freedom to customize the options available in the drop-down menu. It's a good idea to plan your drop-down options in advance. This way you can provide your users with relevant and logical selections that enhance their experience when interacting with your form. Once you're satisfied with the drop-down content you've added, remember to save your changes. You'll find the save option conveniently located. This step ensures all your hard work in customizing the drop-down is preserved and applied to the form. It's always a good practice to preview your form after making changes. This lets you see the drop-down in action and confirm whether the options are displayed as you intended. And there you have it, a dynamic drop-down added to your Jotform. This feature can significantly elevate user engagement by providing tailored responses based on their selections. Feel free to explore other widgets and tools within Jotform to further improve your forms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Jotform tips and tutorials to help you maximize your form building potential.